We are busy working women, we are busy mothers, we are busy homemakers. We definitely need to know the power of home organization. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life, and in today's video I will be sharing with you 10 tips on how we can organize our study desk, and I'm going to give you a complete tour of my home office. This video will be helpful if you are dealing with a small space. A small space often looks cluttered, but if we organize it with right thought, then it will make us feel happy and productive. So let's get started.
My very first step is select a space for study area which is well ventilated or with proper natural light. I don't have any space left in our 3 BHK except our bedroom to set up this home office, and as you can see, this is a very small space which I'm going to deal with. My next step is select a table that fits your space or fulfill your need. This table is from Urban Ladder. I love everything about this table except storage. But later on this video, I will share how we can address the issue. This table is perfect for this tiny space, and moreover I was so happy that how nicely it blends with other bedroom color theme, which is wooden texture and white. This third tip is for them who are already having a study desk but not exactly happy with the current setup. So the tip is change desk current setup if it's not working. When we shifted to our new home, I set up this iron table to experiment with the space, but it was neither aesthetically pleasing nor functioning well. So I shifted the workspace on this side of the wall. My fourth tip on how to organize your desk is invest on desk organizers or make DIY organizer. Here is my suggestion. If you have time, then make DIY organizers for your desk, and if you do not have time and your budget permits, invest wisely in some good desk organizers. Organizers will help you to find things easily and stay organized for a long time. This one is my favorite wooden desk organizer where I keep my everyday planner, notebooks, etc. My fifth tip is hang a bulletin board to organize to-do list, school routines, exam routines, important notice or whatnot. I mean, above or on the desk, a bulletin board is our savior. But don't go overboard. Don't paste so many to-do lists. It will definitely lose its importance. I bought this magnetic board from IKEA. It was around 999 if I can remember, but you can simply go with this type of placemats. Yes, just use clothespins or wooden pegs and put your to-do list or important task here. This one is from Home Center. Probably you have seen this placemat in many of our videos. You can use it for the same. Just pause this video and let me know if you think this idea is workable. Moving on to the next tip, and that is storage space solution for a small space. As I told you earlier, I loved this table, but it doesn't have much storage space. So we installed 2 shelves above it. Wall shelves are great to have. You can decorate it, you can store things, so versatile. And these shelves are from Decor. If you don't have wall space, or even if you are renting, then you can go with this type of chest of drawers for extra storage. For details, watch our previous budget-friendly home office organization video. Link will be provided in the description box below or in the I button. My seventh tip is the first and foremost rule in home organization: everything should have a home. If we have something on our study desk, we should have defined a space for that particular object. This way, our study table will not look cluttered and we will be able to maintain a clean space always. If we are organizing the study desk for our kids, we should focus on the things which is necessary. Keep notebooks, pens handy so they don't look everywhere for them. And we need to teach them the importance of a neat and clean space. Also for small space, go with foldable desk light. This light I got from Flipkart. It doesn't take much space and its sleek design helped me to save space on my desk. 8th tip is cable or cord management. As this table already has a built-in cable input-output option, so here I am just clearing up the cable that is connected with CPU. Just use zip tie to knot them together. Or else you can use this type of cable organizer. If you want to do DIY, use any metal or PVC box, not any cardboard box, as it can be risky if any electrical hazard happens. 9th tip is another important one. Decluttering is the key. If you are dealing with small space, set priorities and keep only those things which you use regularly, not like maybe I'm going to use it someday kind of a stuff. Focus on functionality and control the clutter. Try to declutter and reorganize the space in every week or every month to keep the space clean and organized. Always remember, organized space is a result of self-discipline. Last but not the least, decorate the desk area, but don't overdo it. Just keep it simple. Add plants or something which sparks joy. I know you instantly remember Marie Kondo with this term. When you decorate, it shows your love and attachment for the space, so never forget to decorate any space you love. I hope these tips will be helpful for you to give your space a makeover. Now let's start with the home office tour. And here is how I have organized these drawers. In this first drawer, I have kept this notebook which I recently got from India Circus. The best part is this notebook is replaceable and you can continue with the cover. I will share the link in the description box below for your reference. Also in future videos, I will share this notebook, what for I am using it. Also in this drawer, I have kept SD cards, pen drives. Here I keep my vlogging camera and its cover. Rest of my videography equipments, I have kept everything in this cabinet outside in the balcony. The tour of this space is coming very soon. Back to the desk area. In this next drawer, I have kept pens, pencils, color pens, markers, only those items which I use regularly. I don't keep anything here which is used by all family members, as I don't want this space to be accessed or used by someone else than me. I will share our utility drawer organization in upcoming videos. Now moving on to the above desk space, here is my keyboard, a mouse with a beautiful mouse pad, very ethnic, and of course the PC. I have kept the PC above this black stand which I got from Amazon. It is very ergonomic option which everyone should take care. And also it helps to save few inches when it comes to deal with a small space. Moving on to the extreme left of this study desk, here I did some changes according to my need, placed this wooden plank to cover this open space. The purpose was I wanted to keep this desk organizer above it, and this plywood plank has gel with existing color palette very nicely. Here I keep my current planner. This one is my old planner, still it has few unused pages, few notebooks related to YouTube video scripting and ideas, one coaster to protect the table and keep hot or cold beverages when needed. This memo pad box is very helpful to organize my to-do list. Whenever I get ideas about video topic or anything important to be noted down, I just take out one paper, write it down immediately and paste it in front of me. Nothing is inside your head and everything on the paper. As you can see, I have a tiny space left after placing the system. So I was very satisfied when I found this metal board at IKEA. All I can say, just the perfect fit for this small space. It came with this magnetic clips. Here I have kept a magnetic picture of Sai Baba, a motivational quote to push me every day, and all sorts of to-dos and notes. I have hung this picture frame and I got it from West Side Home. It is my random motivation board, you can say. Whenever I come across a good motivation quote, I write it over here. Sometimes I doodle on it. It acts like a piece of my own thought. Now let's move on to the wall shelf area. I have kept few books here, a clock, a succulent plant, kept one coaster to catch the excess water, a photo frame as a memory when I went to YouTube's year-end party, and a cane basket. Here I have kept my painting and drawing stuff, a great stress buster when I feel low or face a bad mood. Moving on to the top shelf, here in this beautiful leather tray, I have stored all my medicines, vitamins, etc. I spent a good chunk of time on my desk every day, so I believe it's always better to store things where you actually use them. I got this ceramic planter from Home Center, and this one is my home management binder. In this folder, I keep all my loose papers. And in this box, I have kept extra pens, extra notepads, few memories. Here my old business cards. Now after the logo, I need to order new cards, which is still pending. Here I would like to suggest invest in an ergonomical chair if you spend long hours sitting on your desk. This chair is from Home Center and I put this fur rug to make it look nice while I don't use the chair, and this white rug is from IKEA. Last but not the least, this play button. It's really special to me. It reminds me that I'm connected with so many happy souls here on our channel. Thank you so much for supporting Home #Life with all your love and encouragement. I am so happy how this small home office turned out. It has its own aesthetics, a cozy homey look. These wall shelves are my absolutely favorite. And moreover, this space is so budget friendly. Probably I have spent under 12,000 rupees for this furniture. Your suggestions are always welcome. So let me know, how do you like this study desk space?
All the products shown in this video will be listed down in the description box, so if you wish, you can check them there. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. Please subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.